Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a delicious and easy brinjal stir fry. First, wash the brinjals and cut them into long thin stripes, also called the julienne cut. Now heat oil in a pan. Add the brinjals and cook until golden brown. Then carefully keep it aside on a tissue paper to drain excess oil. Once again, keep a pot and add the brinjals, add chopped onions, garlic, chili powder, curry powder. Then stir everything by adding thick coconut in to make a thick curry. Add a little sugar too to balance the taste. If you slightly like the tangy flavor, you can add a little vinegar too. This is optional. Serve it with hot rice and enjoy this homemade dish. And that's it. Our creamy brinjal curry is all done. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Adios amigos. See you in the next video.